Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use the split view feature of Google Chrome. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To use split view in Google Chrome, you can use this button here. Now you can see that this tab has been split into two parts and you can adjust this size of each view by dragging. Now you can do a couple of things here. You can either reverse the views, close any of the views, or separate them. If you do not see this button here, it is possible that it is disabled. So to enable it, click on this button, go to toolbars and turn on this option here. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.